In 2017, Ausker raised over $245,000 to make well-crafted cookware available at an affordable cost. Rather than simply elevate the cooking experience this time, we want to transform it entirely. Allow us to show you how. First, we focused on the most common failing of all cookware products, the non-stick coating. We wanted to push the boundary further than anyone has ever gone before. And so we have. What we've come up with is the most unbelievably durable, effective, scratch and wear-resistant coating in recorded history. Which means it's able to withstand rather extreme cooking conditions. Even if your food is, well, not even food.
To be honest, I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Translation: it's absolutely stunning. Moving on, we've designed the 100% stainless steel underside plates to ensure strong compatibility with any cooking surface and reduce the energy required to transfer heat. Our pots, pans and grill are dynamically thin and formed from die-cast aluminium, which has proved itself as the most conductive material per pound on Earth. Our pots are designed with aerodynamic handles with 100% coverage from removable silicone sleeves, offering maximum comfort. The pot lids feature anti-slip thumb pads on the silicone rim, fast and slow strainers built right in the lining, and a spoon holder on the silicone knob.
And of course, everything is designed to minimize wasted cabinet space.
Quite so. Our pans and grill feature spring-free detachable handles which ensure a long lifespan. They also make the pans much easier to clean. Not to mention, with handles removed, our cookware cleverly transitions into baking dishes. We've obsessed over the details, extending inches here, testing materials there. And in general, taking the home cooking experience to a dramatic new level. And because of Ausker's direct-to-consumer model, rather than paying for added costs in retailing and wholesale, you only pay for manufacturing.
We can't wait for you to see just how impressive this cookware is.
Salute!
With your support, we'll celebrate a new era of cookware excellence. Less time at the stove and sink, more time to enjoy the things and the people you love. Ausker, a good choice.